It's my pleasure to welcome you guys to my channel, Let's Do Graphics and Multimedia. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to convert CorelDRAW file into Illustrator file 2023 step-by-step tutorial. But before I dive into the tutorial, if you are very new to this channel, please remember to hit on the subscribe. So with that being said, let's get started. First thing first, you need to open up your Corel file. It can be design of logo or flyer or whatsoever. So whatever design file vector, you can convert it into an Adobe Illustrator file format. So for you to do that, first thing first, you have to go to the home tab right here, click on file. So after you click on file, then you have to go to save as. Then from the very point here, this is going to pop up. At the drop down here, you have to click here and make sure you choose Adobe Illustrator. So when you choose Adobe Illustrator, you have to choose your file destination and then you have to click on save. So this is going to pop up. One very good thing you need to do here is to click on where you see Adobe Illustrator CS5. So here you can choose any format of Illustrator that you can use to open this file. So if you have anything below CS6 Illustrator, you just have to make sure that you choose any lower version than this. So I'm going to leave it in CS5 fashion because I have Illustrator 2023. So finally, you have to make sure that you select current document, and then finally you have to click on OK. All right, so once you save it in Illustrator, you can let's minimize it. You can see the icon on my desktop right here. It has changed to Illustrator. Now to open this file in Illustrator, so we have to bring out our Illustrator file software. So next thing you need to do is to go to the file. So from file, you have to click on open, or you press Ctrl+0, then it bring out a location where you can from the point here, you can just look for where you save the file. So I save it in desktop, then we have to, so here we go. So this is the file format. Then you click on open, then boom. So here you have it. This is the file in Adobe Illustrator. If I press Ctrl+ just to zoom out, so you can see it is still remain a vector file. You can come to the home tab top right here. You see layers. So you click on layer. You can click on here, and you're going to see all the layers. So you can see them right here. So we still maintain all the vector layer. So from the point here, you can change the color. You can do whatever you like to do as far as this is still a vector file format. You can come to the gradient field right here, and you can change the color from gradient to normal color of your choice, or you can control the gradient from this palette right here. So you can click on here, and from the point here, you can choose on black, and then you can control with your you can control color code from the point here, or better still, you can pick different color from this point right here. So this is how you can modify the file when you eventually open it in your Adobe Illustrator. So guys, this is how you can convert your CorelDRAW file format into Illustrator editable file layer step-by-step tutorial. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video and you want to continue getting stuff like this, remember to hit on the subscribe on to this channel, and thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.